A smart fire alarm system isn't just about convenience for installers or maintenance teams, it's also a game changer for building owners and facility managers too. In this video, I'll walk you through the top benefits of choosing a fire alarm system with cloud connectivity. With the Teletek Pro mobile app, you'll never miss out on any important information. It helps you stay informed about your system status, and you get to receive instant notifications in the event of faults, technical issues, or even alarm is triggered, no matter where you are. This ensures that you remain aware of the condition of one of the building's most critical life safety systems at all times. Whether it's a false alarm triggered by human activity or a real life-threatening event, security managers can respond quickly and efficiently when notified instantly via the app. This enables them to take appropriate action based on the specific situation. As the system owner, you're in control. You can grant or revoke user permissions at any time, ensure that only authorized individuals have visibility and access to the system through their accounts. Teletek Cloud stores all periodic maintenance reports generated after each service visit. If needed, you can easily access and present these documents to regulatory authorities. They are just a few clicks away. Additionally, the cloud can send automated reminders for upcoming maintenance, helping you stay organized and compliant.